Hey, good morning, legends. How are you doing? It's Mr. Cherry again. This is just a quick video to show you how to get to IXL. So the website is IXL.com. It's very easy to access, very easy to remember. And once you get to IXL.com, you want to make sure that the first thing that you do is you go and put in your username. And after entering your username, you want to enter your password and then click sign in. And that is how you are going to log into IXL. So as you can see, I have logged into IXL. It says welcome Ted Cherry, and it should say welcome you. And as you log in, we are going to be using this for math for the rest of the year. So if you click on math and you click on grades, it should, and we scroll down here, we will see that we are going to be working on Algebra 1 skills. So a lot of what we're going to be doing is in this Algebra 1 tab. And so if you just click either here at the green spot or where it says see all 341 skills, this is where you're going to want to go to log in. So once you're here, we will be giving you in your weekly assignments certain, like a letter. So for example, you might see the letter X, and that's representing exponential functions. And we might say that we want you to complete X1. So what you're going to do is you're going to log into IXL. You're going to find this page under Algebra 1. You're going to look for letter X, exponential functions, and you're going to click on that first skill. So as you can see, I'm now in skill X1, evaluate an exponential function. And what I really like about IXL is it's okay if you're not right. What really matters is that you're trying your best. So let's say you're not sure how to do this. So if you're not sure that 2 is the input, that it goes in for X, so you're not sure what 3 to the second power would be, maybe you say that 3 to the second power is 6. And let's say we put that in, and it's going to say this. Oh no, you're wrong, and that's okay. What's cool about this is if you scroll down, don't just say got it. Scroll down and look below, and it will literally show you some steps to solve this. Is that clear with everybody? Make sure if you get something wrong, go look at the explanation that they give you. Read it, take a second, and evaluate it. And only after you do that, I want you to say, I got it, and try again. All right, everybody, so I hope you're good. Hopefully you know how to get into IXL. Please practice that before Monday at 8 a.m. All right, talk to you soon.